morning grade 3 students. Welcome to our new video. And in this video we are going to start with the grammar topic, that is quantifiers. So what are quantifiers? It tells about a quantity and it also tells about how to differentiate between countable and uncountable. Students, let's start with the PEP activity. Observe the picture that shows a group of children planting some saplings in their neighborhood. Can you see the group of students? They are planting the saplings. Frame sentences using a few, a little, a lot of and many to describe a few things in picture. So what we are going to do over here? We are going to frame the sentences using these words. Okay, a few, a little, a lot of and a many. A little is used with uncountable noun, many with countable nouns, and a lot of with both countable and uncountable noun. So one is done for you. Many. The children are going to plant many saplings today. So from many they have framed the sentences. Let us frame the sentences with a few. The children have already planted a few saplings. Then a little. There is a little water in a small bucket and more water in a larger bucket. Then a lot of. There is a lot of place where the children can plant these saplings. Nouns that can be counted are countable nouns. So nouns which we are able to count, they are known as countable nouns. For example, apples and chocolates. Nouns that cannot be counted or can be qualified only by using specific words are uncountable nouns. So the nouns which cannot be counted, they are known as uncountables. Example, a rice, a bowl of rice. Milk, a liter of milk. We use specific word or phrases before nouns to tell us the amount or quantity of nouns. So these are known as quantifiers. So what are the quantifiers? We use specific word or phrases before the nouns. So noun is there. In that we use specific words and these are known as quantifiers. Example, a few, many, a little, a lot of. Different quantifiers are used with countable and uncountable nouns. So let us see in the figure 2 and love how quantifiers are used. Quantifier, then used with and used in a sentence. So quantifier, we are going to use a few and it is countable noun. There are few trees in the garden. So we are able to count tree. So it is countable noun. Yes. Then many, that is countable noun. Many cars are parked on the road. So car also we are able to count it. So it is a countable noun. A little, that is uncountable noun. There was a little rice left in the bowl. So in the bowl the little rice was. Are we able to count? No. So it is an uncountable noun. A lot of, that is both countable and uncountable noun. We have lot of work left to do. Read this conversation between an adult and one of the children from the group that planted the saplings. Hello uncle, I am Rajni. I hope you know that we planted many trees today. We received plenty of help from people in the neighborhood. Thank you. Great job children. While only some adults help. It was mostly you children who did the work. We can never plant enough trees, so keep it up. Now these words some, plenty of, enough and a bit of tell you more about quantity. So what does these words tell about? More quantity. They are also examples of quantifiers. Figure 3 lists some sentences with quantifiers and their uses. So complete the table using examples of your own. So can you see the quantifiers are given and it is used with countable and uncountable noun and we are going to use this in a sentence. So some people like to dance. I have some work to do. I have some coins. Meena has some beans in her lunch box. So this is some is used for both countable also and uncountable nouns also. So in similar manner the quantifiers are given and the sentences are used with. Then the next, that is look deep activity. Read the sentences and filling the blanks with the quantifiers. I have some work to complete. There are plenty of chocolates in the box. Can I have some water to drink? Okay. The next activity, that is think and ink activity. Frame sentences using the quantifier some, plenty, enough and a bit of Write 3 of them in figure 4 and some examples are given. So I have made my sentences. Students, try to make it by your own sentences. Can you see the plenty of the quantifiers? Enough, a bit of. So one example is given. You are going to do it by this own. You are going to try to make your own sentence. Now this is a companion book. So you are going to watch this video and start completing your companion book. Observe this image and answer the following question. So you are going to observe the image and answer the following question. Would you like to visit a place that looks like this? Tick your answer. So I have written no, I would not. So why? I would not visit the place because it looks unclean and unsafe for me. So the place is unclean. So I would not like to visit this place. Then complete the following sentences with does not, did not, do or do not, as we have done it in studio book. So you are going to complete this activity. Then next is complete the following question using the correct form of the verb to do. Use the clues given in the bracket. One is done for you. Does grandma listen to the radio? So the bracket is given. Yes. So you are going to write yes, she does. Second one, that is dash the girls want to go to the birthday party. So do the girls want to go to the birthday party? So in the bracket it is given no. So no, they do not. So like this you are going to complete the other one. Then the next, that is look at these images, use the correct form of verb to do to frame some questions and answer some others. One is done for you, as we have done the verb to India, my studio book. So you are going to do it by this on your own. This is the conversation, okay? Then tick the correct quantifier in the given sentences. So the quantifiers are given, you are going to tick the correct one. And the next, that is read this conversation, filling the blanks with suitable forms of the verb to do and quantifier. You may use short form. So you are going to use the short form and complete this conversation. Students, hope you all are clear with this topic. You are going to watch this video and complete your studio and companion book. See you in the next video with new topic.